Awake. Where am I? I have a very specific type of short-term memory loss. My name is Jeffrey Darby Brown. My Python script was murdered by a type error recursive base case by a madman, and I've been chasing him ever since. The only way I can remember is by leaving notes on myself. Debug recursion. Oh God, how much have I not remembered? Don't trust anyone, except Stack Overflow. That must be an old friend. Don't read documentation, it'll only slow you down. Don't trust their lies. Your memory loss makes you forget to use breakpoints. What are breakpoints? Oh my God, this goes deeper than I thought. His initials are even on my shoulder. GDB. I've got you now, you punk. I've got everything I need to debug now. Just because there are error handling techniques I don't remember to use doesn't make my print statements meaningless. Wait, these helper functions seem familiar. I'm not using these at all in the actual code. What is this big block of commented out code? Oh God, I'm starting to remember something. Could it have been me? Am I the one I've been chasing this whole time? The one who wrote this crappy code? Who is that guy? Did I comment out the code, thinking I would just remember to put it back tomorrow? Why did I even make all these helper functions?
Oh shit, my finger.
Hey, it's Andrew, and along with the same thank you as always, I wanted to add a very big thank you to those who came out to my live stream for my Ask Me Anything yesterday, as well as the fact that I am so close, so darn close to 1,000 subscribers. I decided, for the sake of being able to count when I start my channel, since I started this channel on Father's Day of 2020, I wanted to start my second channel on Mid-Autumn Festival, just happening tomorrow. It's going to have a lot of different interviews, and it's going to focus on personal finance, investments, and how to now grow your money that you are earning as a tech professional. So if you can join me there, I would really appreciate it. You're going to have our first interview go up with Ravi, a data scientist who started off accepting a business analyst position right out of college, graduating in 2019 December, and now hiring data scientists of his own. You don't want to miss that interview. Head on over to that channel, subscribe, and as always, peace. Thank you.
Are you still there? To delete this message, press 7. To save it in the archives, press 9. To hear more options, press 0.
What are you talking about?